Hey everybody, it's Miss Leshaey, and today we're gonna be making a mini basketball hoop or something like what Mr. Ezra did.
Nice.
Yep. If you have siblings, your siblings can hold this up and you can shoot the basketball in.
Let's go.
The materials we need today are paper, thick paper, cardstock paper, a pencil, markers and crayons to color it, pipe cleaners, tape, and scissors. Okay, the first step, we're gonna take 3 pieces of cardstock paper and tape them together. So boom, I got my pieces of tape. Doesn't have to be perfect. So this is your backboard. So what you wanna do is just design it any way you want to. Draw a square in the middle. Okay, color it in. Okay, the next step, we're gonna take your 2 pipe cleaners and twist them together. This is gonna be a hoop. Okay, so once you have your hoop or your rim, you're gonna tape it. Let me get my tape. Right below the rim. No, right there. Make sure it's stable. Now for this step, you're gonna take 2 pencils and you're gonna tape them together and then tape it behind your backboard. This is gonna hold it up. Okay, so your last step is to decorate it however you want to. Okay, so this is the final product and Mr. Ezra's gonna try to shoot his basketball to my home. Go ahead.